Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please introduce myself. My name is Ardi Firmansyah. I am one of student of the Islamic University of Islam Madura. I am from English department. So today I will give you material under the title gender. What is gender? Okay, stay tuned the video. Nah, before we go to the material, I will introduce to you about this book. This book is English grammar in which has made from Pondok Pesantren Darussalam Gontor. So, I have the material from this book about the gender under the title the gender. What is gender? Gender is the grouping of words into masculine, feminine, and neuter. What is that? What is masculine, feminine, and neuter? There are four kinds from the gender. For the first, what I say? The first, masculine gender. The second, feminine gender. And the third, neuter gender, and the last is common gender. What is masculine gender? Nah, the masculine gender is the name which has the characteristic of the male sex. I wanna try. Masculine gender is the name which has the characteristic of the male sex. Jadi yang dinamakan masculine gender itu adalah sesuatu yang berjenis kelamin laki-laki. Masculine gender is the name which has the characteristic of the male sex. The example, my father advised me to study well. The word father, what the meaning about father is papa. Jadi sudah jelas kalau papa itu adalah laki-laki. The father is the male. So the word father, the word from my father advises me to study well. The word father is what? The word father belong to masculine gender. Beside that, beside father, boy. I have boyfriend. Nah, the word boy that is belong to male, masculine gender. Until here, I think you understand everything. If that belong to masculine gender or no, belong to masculine or boy, example boy, father, uncle, and etc. That is masculine gender. Understand? Okay, I think you will understand. Okay, and the second is feminine gender. What is feminine gender? Feminine gender is the name which has the characteristic of the female sex. I want to try one more. Feminine gender is the name which has the characteristic of the female sex. Feminine gender adalah sebuah nama yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan sesuatu itu perempuan. Nah, what the example? The example is my mother ordered me to take a bath. The word mother belong to masculine gender. Why? Because the word mother is the girl. Kenapa? Karena kata mother itu adalah perempuan. Sudah jelas bahwasanya kata mother itu menunjukkan bahwa mama itu adalah perempuan. Jadi yang dinamakan masculine gender itu adalah sesuatu yang berjenis kelamin perempuan. Besides that, what the example except mother, the example is sister, mother, and etc. And the name and the other example from the sentence, my sister ran away from my house. The word sister belong to masculine gender, belong to feminine gender. Till you understand? I think you understand. So the third is common gender. Stay the video. Later. Aduh. Okay, the third is common gender. What is common gender? Common gender is the name whose life and can be either male or female. I wanna try. Common gender is the name whose life and can be either male or female. Nah, yang dinamakan common gender itu adalah nama yang digunakan pada sesuatu yang hidup dan yang tidak dapat dibedakan apakah itu perempuan atau laki-laki. The example what? The example is you are the pupil of Indonesia. The word pupil belong to common gender. Why? Because the pupil not what? The word pupil that male or female. Nah, jadi kata pupil itu kita tidak bisa menentukan kata pupil itu apakah pupil itu perempuan atau pupil itu laki-laki. Besides that, the next example, my teacher teach me on 7 o'clock. The word teacher belong to masculine gender. Why? Because teacher itu masih tidak ketemu jenis kelaminnya. Apakah itu jenis kelamin laki-laki atau jenis kelamin perempuan. Nah, seperti itu. That masculine gender common gender is the name which has life and can be either male or female. Jadi apapun yang hidup dan kita tidak bisa membedakan apakah itu laki-laki atau perempuan, itu namanya common gender. Except driver, worker, teacher, and etc. And the last is neuter gender. Neuter gender is the name which has no life and can be either male or female. I wanna try again. Neuter gender is the name which has no life, and cannot be either male or female. Jadi yang dinamakan neuter gender itu adalah sesuatu yang tidak hidup dan tidak memiliki jenis kelamin, baik itu kelamin laki-laki atau perempuan. I wanna try again. Neuter gender is the name which has no life and cannot be either male or female. The example is I take the chalk from the table. The word chalk belong to neuter gender. Why? Because chalk that has no life and cannot be either male or female. Jadi yang kenapa kata chalk tadi itu masuk ke neuter gender, karena chalk itu adalah sesuatu yang tidak hidup dan tidak bisa dibedakan apakah itu laki-laki atau perempuan. Seperti itu. And the next and the other example, my house is the town. The word house belong to neuter gender. Why? Karena host itu adalah sesuatu yang tidak hidup dan kita tidak bisa membedakan apakah host itu laki-laki atau host itu perempuan, seperti itu. Jadi everything that has no life and cannot be either male or female, that is belong to neuter gender. Okay, the example of my material today, gender is the grouping of words into masculine, feminine, and neuter, and without sex. Nah, without sex. And there are 4 kinds from the gender. The first is masculine gender. The second is masculine gender. I'm sorry. I wanna say one more. The first is masculine gender. The second is feminine gender. The third is common gender, and the fourth is neuter gender. The first is masculine gender. Masculine gender adalah sesuatu yang berjenis kelamin laki-laki seperti father, mother, uncle, and etc. The second is feminine gender. Feminine gender is of the male sex, sesuatu yang perempuan. Example, mother, sister, and etc. The third is common gender. Common gender is has life and not can be either to male or female, sesuatu yang hidup dan tidak bisa dibedakan apakah itu laki-laki atau perempuan. Example, my parent, my teacher. The word parent and teacher that belong to common gender. Kenapa? Karena kita tidak bisa menentukan apakah itu guru laki-laki atau guru perempuan. And the last is neuter gender. Neuter gender is no life and cannot be either male or female. Jadi sesuatu yang tidak hidup dan kita tidak bisa membedakan apakah itu laki-laki atau perempuan. Example, I take chalk from the table. Saya mengambil kapur dari meja. The word chalk belong to neuter gender. Jadi kata chalk itu termasuk neuter gender. Kenapa? Karena chalk itu, kapur itu tidak hidup dan itu tidak bisa dikatakan apakah itu perempuan atau laki-laki, seperti itu. I think enough from my material today. I wanna say thank you for your attention, for your listen. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.